These are the beams we're going to be throwing into that addition to support the second story. So they're W8s by 58s, and then the other one, smaller one, which hangers on this big one here, is a W8 by 40, a little smaller, but that's I'll show you when we go back over there. There's splits the half the house and then the floor joist hanger on that. But this is going to span 25 feet. So we're getting the top nailer plate put on. We're going to cut the excess bolts there and get everything going. So here's the new addition. It's 18 by 26 with a 9 by 5 entry here being attached to the house. It's going to have vaulted ceilings. And this is the mission today. So we already took out the rim joist here. And that currently supports the second story. So we have these temporary blocks in here, but we're going to be taking those out so we can slide that steel beam in. So we have supports on the outside, but this is what I was talking about, where all the second story floor joists are hangered on it. And so we're switching that one to the steel beam here. This addition could be really nice. It has a vaulted ceiling, so coming from inside here is to be the dining room and the kitchen. It's going to be opened up coming into this living room. You're going to have a fireplace here with over here a 12-foot wide sliding door to take a look at these views. You got mountain views all the way over there. Really nice. So we're about to do that, and I'll get a video of that going in. So we're just about ready to get the beam up. I got it on the forks, strapping it in there so it doesn't move when we moving it and adjusting it up there. See how this goes. See if it goes good or bad. You'll see it on camera. So everything's marked out and they're cutting the decking on the second story here. Come on inside and I'll show you. So this is what it's going to open up to. Current state of the kitchen. Kitchen's going to be where the dining table is, but let's take a look here. So they're notching for just a nut to clear on the bolt up there. So what that'll do is that'll allow those nuts on top holding the nail plate on to slide in there evenly. So we're almost there. got the beam in. So we have it temporarily supported right now. The lumberyard is still waiting on their glue lamb columns coming here. And down there we have, you can see, we had to attach a larger pier pad to the existing foundation of the footing, make it larger. And then here, 2 feet in, there's another pier pad and post that's going right here. And that glue lamb column also has a larger pier pad. So that's getting that in there. And so we have a temporary supported on each side. We decided to run this long all the way to the edge, so it wouldn't hurt. Made it a little harder getting it in there because you had to be a little exact with the machine to get it in when we gave ourselves an inch space from each side. So we're gonna leave this up while we build this exterior addition and then knock it down so we're not creating dust for the homeowner.